Hi, Professor Shadrick. This is Carrie Lovelady teaching on the Abacus. We're doing some basic addition and subtraction. And I want to start with setting some numbers. So this is my student Sue, and we've already done some preliminary work here, but Sue's going to go ahead. We've talked about setting numbers and how you set, count, and then clear at the end. So Sue, let's review real quickly. That first row is the ones column, second being tens, then the third hundreds and thousands. When we set numbers, we move the balls toward the bar. So let's go ahead, Sue, and let's find the tens column, and let's count 20 toward the bar.
10, 20.
And let's go to the ones column, and let's move a 5 down, and let's set this being 25.
25.
Okay, good job. Clear? Now, Sue, let's go ahead and set the number 164. So if you want to walk that through.
164?
164.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. Can you move your fingers so we can see it in the camera? Good job, Sue. All right. Next one.
Want me to clear it?
Please. Okay, let's set one more number. Let's set 399.
300?
300.
100, 200, 300, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99.
Good job. Can you move your hands real quick? Good job. All right, let's move on to addition. We're going to add two basic numbers. So what we're going to do, when you add numbers, you always set the first number. So, and then we'll add to it. So let's just do some basic adding here, just for review. So let's add 1 plus 1. So set that first number for me, please.
1.
Second number to add.
Plus 1,
Total
and the sum is 2.
Good job, good job. You want to clear that, please? Do a couple more basics. Let's add 1 plus 2.
1 plus 2 more, and the sum is 3.
Good job. Let's do another basic. Let's add 11 plus 2.
10, 11, plus 2 more, and the sum is 13.
Good job. Let's clear. Now, we're going to move on to some subtraction.
Okay.
Now, in subtraction, when you always set the larger number, and then you take away from that large number by pulling beads away from the center bar. So let's start with, again, some basic numbers. Let's start with 4 minus 3. So the first number you're going to set is 4.
4 minus 3, and the difference is 1.
Good job, good job. Okay, clear that for me. All right, so let's do one more practice number. Let's do 9 minus 4.
So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Set that first number.
Minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the difference is 5.
Good job, good job. All right, now we're going to do a little bit harder numbers. This is what we're going to take some data on. Let's start with some addition.
Okay.
Let's start with 5 plus 1.
5 plus 1, and the sum is 6.
Good job, clear that. Let's do 6 plus 3.
6 plus 1, 2, 3, and the sum is 9.
Thank you. Let's do 2 plus 2. After you've cleared it, thank you.
2 plus 2 more, and the sum is 4.
Okay. Let's clear it. Let's do 10 plus 2.
10, no, wait, that's 50. 10 plus 2 more for a sum of 12.
Okay, clear. 7 plus 2.
1, 6, 7 plus 2 more is a sum of 9.
Good job, clear. Let's try 15 plus 1.
So 10 plus 5 more is 15, plus 1 is a sum of 16.
Good job, clear. Here's the bonus, Sue. Here's the big one. Let's add 15 plus 31.
Okay, that's 15 plus 10, 20, 31 for a sum of 46.
Good job, Sue. Clear. All right, let's move on to subtraction. We'll do the little bit basic ones first. Remember, you start with a larger number. So let's set 3 and we're going to subtract 2.
3 minus 2 is the difference of 1.
Good job. Clear. Let's try 4 minus 4.
4 minus 4 for a difference of 0.
Yeah, see, there's no beads near the bar, so good job. Let's try 8 minus 3.
8 minus 3 for a difference of 5.
Good job, clear. 7 minus 1.
7 minus 1 for a difference of 6.
Good job, clear. 9 minus 3.
9 minus 3 for a difference of 6.
Good job, clear. And the big bonus, Sue. Let's try 15 minus 5.
15 minus 5 for a difference of 10.
Good, and see that there's nothing in that ones column, so you know that's a 0. All right, good job, Sue. Okay, Sue, I'm going to show you one last thing to wrap us up here. I'm going to show you that you can use your abacus to add and subtract, but then to check yourself, you can use other items to double check yourself. And in this case, we're going to use some blocks. So let's just go back to one of our first examples on the test, and it was 5 plus 1. On the abacus, you would bring down toward the bar 5 plus 1, and you'd have a total of 6. And you could do the same thing by adding blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1 would be 6, and then you could just count them like that. And you could feel them. Let's do one more. Let's do 6 plus 3. So there's 5, 6, plus 1, 2, 3. And that is 9. And you can also do that with the blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 3 more, 7, 8, and 9. Again, just double check yourselves. Let's do a couple with subtraction also. Let's do 3 minus 2. So let's set our first number, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to take away 2, so we're going to pull the beads away from the bar. 1, 2. Answer is 1. We're going to do the same thing with blocks. We're going to start off with a larger number, 3. Take away 2, 1, 2. Answer being 1. Let's do one more as an example. Let's do 8 minus 3. So let's set that first larger number, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to take away 3, 1, 2, 3 away from the bar, ending with 5. And let's do the same thing with the blocks. Start with a larger number. There's 8. Take away 3, 1, 2, 3, and you can feel and count that there's 5. And that's it, Sue. You've been a great student, and we look forward to working with you some more.